Hi guys, so I'm here again with another video. It's your girl Rosie Peterz. If you want to see how to apply your false lashes from the title, then you can keep watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, if you want me to show how I applied this lower lash, you can also let me know in the comment section below. Without further ado, keep watching. I'll be showing you guys how I usually fix my false lashes. It can be very hard, but it's simple. So I have a nude eye, just so it's not so much drama going on there. Don't mind my lashes on the eyelashes. Now the first thing I do is pick my Kill Black waterproof pen liner. It's a pen liner. I like to use a pen liner. So we just go up. Take your time. You just want to follow the shape of your eye. Now I'll show you the difference between having an eyeliner and not having one. Eyeliner is my go-to. Like, if that noise, if I don't have an eyeliner on, it feels incomplete. And you want to make sure you're not talking while drawing it. Depends on the occasion. Sometimes I like it very faint, sometimes I like it quite bold. Okay, now see this eye and see this eye. This does that drama for you. So after doing that, now we're going to be using already used lashes today. This is what it looks like. Like I would always say, I don't have a tweezer. Now you want to measure, I don't know, you want to measure and make sure that it is the same length with your arm. Next thing you do is put, this is my lash gum from Classic Makeup. So I like this one because it has this one that you can use to control your gum. So you put your gum on it and leave it to dry. Make sure your lashes is clean, especially if it's an old one. So I'm doing the same thing for the second one. And then keeping it. I'm sure the first one should be dry by now, so we'll just pick that up. Now I'm using my mascara from Naked 9. I like it because of its one. Do you see how it looks? There's a smaller one. I'm yet to get that smaller one. It just pulls out. It does the job well. So after that, you want to put your lashes on. Go in like this, not too high and not too low, just like this. Start from the middle, then you put it in front and put it behind. I'll show you guys using the other eye again. You could blow off if you're not still comfortable with how dry it might look or it might seem. You could blow off. Then you go in like this. pushing it in. Okay, most times this will give you trouble. This part of the lashes will give you trouble, especially if it's closer. It will give you trouble, so you just keep going. It's nothing too serious. If your gum isn't really there, you can still put your gum in, but mine is okay. Like I would say before, there's always this space here, so what you want to do is press. Like, take your lashes in this way. Yes. Then go in with your mascara. Yeah. Now this lashes is dramatic. Actually, I thought it was red cherry. This is Praise and Grace lashes number 117. It looks like red cherry. The drama it brings is nice. So that's for this eye. Let's do the same thing for this eye. So first things first, use your liner. Now you could still go on top to draw your liner just so it looks real, but mine is okay. Mine is okay. So you go in here again. Then come out. I'm going. Do you see that? Then come in here. Yeah. And go. People are moving, so definitely you should expect the noise, okay? So pardon us. Now, going with your already sticky and dried, almost dry lashes, like I said, not too high, not too low, just like this, quite like this, and then put your eyelid down. Start from the middle. I don't have a tweezer, so my hand is always doing the job. The middle, then come to this corner. I'm not a lefty, so it's hard. Then the back. I'm using my hand. My right hand controls better than my left hand, so it's always difficult to use my left hand. Now if you notice, I'm not the type to bring my lashes so close. It's all about what you like, though. So you want to use your mascara and make it look real, like. So I'll go off, do my full face, and come show you guys what it's like. So if you know you did enjoy the video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment. What next do you want me to do?